Hi guys and welcome. If you want to make real big money online, definitely you need to check out the AI books. This is the new way to make new money, and in this video we're going to be covering all the things about it. So jump in and stay tuned till the end of this video.
Have you heard about Readwise? It's a fantastic service that curates the best news and content from platforms like Kindle, Instapaper, and iBooks and sends it straight to your inbox daily. And not only that, but they've got a fantastic reader app perfect for all your power readers out there. The versatile app lets you keep all your content in one place, easily searchable and organized. The app has covered you whether you're into Twitter threads, PDFs, or anything in between. Now, even though the app is great for power users, it's also perfect for casual readers like us. It's super flexible and can be used in various settings, whether for personal, professional, or academic purposes. The local cross-platform architecture makes it super fast and efficient, so you can effortlessly search across all your devices. Oh, and did I mention that it connects with all your other thinking tools like Roam, Research, Notion, Evernote, and Obsidian? It's like they've thought of everything. It's got these great workflows to help you tackle content overload, which is a common problem for us power readers. And the best part? The team behind Readwise is actively developing the app and providing responsive customer support. They're even getting feedback from beta testers using the app for hours a day. So if you're looking for an easy way to keep track of the best parts of what you read, Readwise is definitely the way to go. They've got two plans, Readwise Lite for $4.49 per month and Readwise for $7.99 a month. The standard plan lets you organize your highlights with tags and notes and export them to Evernote or Notion. Plus, they even offer a 30-day free trial, so you can try before you buy. Scene1 is a fantastic online book writing software that makes the process of writing more accessible and more efficient. It's like having a personal writing assistant designed by writers for writers. With this app, you can create your stories in any style with various features that help you write faster and more effectively. One of the best things about Scene1 is that it securely stores your work in the cloud so that you can access your writing from anywhere on any device. And the app includes a range of features to make writing more accessible, such as a customizable wiki, Save the Cat, Beat Sheet Manager, and revision board to keep track of notes and reminders. Scene1 can be a game changer if you struggle with writer's block or staying on track with your writing. With its AI writing assistant, you can get suggestions and ideas for your paper and real-time word counting to track your progress. And the app's focus mode helps you stay on track without distractions. Scene1 app has a free plan that allows users to write up to 100,000 words and access all standard tiered features for 2 weeks. After that, users can choose from several paid plans, including the standard, advanced, and professional programs, which offer endless stories and words, access to the AI writing assistant, and up to 150,000 AI words per month respectively. The best part is that there are no ads, so you can focus on your writing without interruptions. The platform's editor is straightforward with a what you see is what you get interface. It groups stories into projects with multiple scenes, character profiles, and statistics. Additionally, Scene1 app's mobile and tablet compatibility makes it easy to use on the go. One of the most notable features of the Scene1 app is the AI writing assistant, which uses natural language processing algorithms to analyze and improve the writer's text. This feature can help identify common writing mistakes, such as grammar errors, awkward phrasing, and overused words. It also provides suggestions to enhance the language and style of the text. Scene1 app's custom wiki feature is another helpful tool for writers who want to build detailed worlds and create complex storylines. The custom wiki allows writers to organize their notes, research, and world-building materials in one place. This feature can benefit fantasy and sci-fi writers who often need to create extensive mythologies and world maps for their stories. For writers who prefer a more structured approach for storytelling, Scene1 app offers the Save the Cat Beat Sheet Manager. The Beat Sheet is a popular tool among screenwriters and novelists for planning the story's main events. The Beat Sheet Manager allows writers to quickly outline the major plot points of their story and track their progress as they move through various beats. If you're a writer who needs to stay organized and on track with your writing, Scene1 is a great choice. Its range of features, customization options, and compatibility with all devices make it an excellent tool for both beginners and experienced writers. The app's regular updates and plans for new and expanded features ensure that it will continue to improve over time. So start your free trial today and see how Scene 1 can help you take your writing to the next level. Have you ever struggled with writer's block or felt stuck when planning out your story? If so, I've got just the thing for you. Tell you about StoryPath, the AI-powered app that can help you plan and structure your stories like a pro. So what exactly is StoryPath? Well, it's an app that takes a few basic details about your story and generates branching options for the plot. You can explore these paths and customize the details to your liking, helping you brainstorm ideas and structure them into a coherent narrative. It's like having your writing assistant who never gets tired or runs out of ideas. When you first open the app, you'll be prompted to enter basic information about your story, such as the genre, setting, and characters. From there, the app generates a variety of branching options for the plot, allowing you to explore different paths and scenarios for your story. You can then customize these paths and add your own unique twists and turns, helping you to create a truly original and captivating account. One of the things I love about StoryPath is the ability to help you overcome writer's block. Sometimes, as writers, we get stuck and just need help to come up with new ideas. Well, with StoryPath, you can access a wide range of options and possibilities, making it much easier to break through that creative wall. Another great feature of StoryPath is its organization options. You can organize your story paths by novel, movie, through line, or any other way that makes sense. These can be incredibly helpful when trying to keep track of multiple storylines and plot points. In addition to its organizational features, StoryPath also has a range of tools to help you stay on track and keep your story moving forward. For example, you can set goals for yourself and track your progress, ensuring that you're making steady progress towards your finished account. One of the great things about StoryPath is its versatility. You can use it to outline an entire story or just a section, act, or scene. You can even organize your story paths by novel, movie, throughline, or any other way you like, and the app features colored-coded paths and sequences for added clarity. It's like having a roadmap for your story, with all the possibilities before you. But that's not all. StoryPath also comes with a companion app called Scene 1 app, which helps writers write faster and more precise. This simple yet powerful book writing software is perfect for both beginners and published authors alike, and it runs on all devices. With Scene 1 app, you can take notes, manage your scenes, and even export your finished work as a PDF or Word doc. Overall, StoryPath is a beneficial tool for anyone looking to improve their storytelling skills. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, this app can help you overcome writer's block, brainstorm new ideas, and structure your story in a way that makes sense. So why not try it and see how it can help you take your writing to the next level? Are you ready to create your blog without any coding or setup? Cardo is the perfect solution for you. Cardo is a revolutionary blog building platform transforming how bloggers create their websites. With its advanced AI-powered features, Cardo is designed to provide an intuitive and user-friendly experience accessible to bloggers of all levels, from beginners to experts. The platform's sleek and modern interface is the perfect starting point for creating your professional blog without needing technical skills or coding expertise. The AI-powered theme generator uses machine learning algorithms to create beautiful, responsive blog themes that look and feel like they were custom designed by a professional. This saves you time and energy while still making your blog look great. One of Cardo's standout features is its AI writer, which generates content for your blog based on your preferences and requirements. This feature uses natural language processing to create engaging and unique articles for your blog. With this AI feature, you can quickly produce quality content without investing too much time or energy. The image generator feature also uses machine learning to create unique, high-quality images, perfect for your blog posts. The AI-powered generator is straightforward to use, and you can generate any type of image, including photos, illustrations, and logos. With this feature, you can create beautiful, high-quality content without any prior experience in graphic design or editing. In addition to the AI writer and image generator, Cardo offers an SEO optimization feature that helps your content rank higher in search engines. This feature analyzes your blog and gives suggestions for improvement, such as optimizing your headlines and including relevant keywords. Cardo also has multilingual support, which means you can reach a wider audience with your blog posts. Furthermore, Cardo allows users to connect third-party tools to their blogs to own their data and improve their workflow. The platform also includes a built-in grammar checker, which can help ensure accuracy and improve the quality of your content. Finally, Cardo provides analytic features to help bloggers gain insights into their blog's performance. With this feature, you can track your blog's traffic and engagement levels, monitor your social media performance, and get feedback on your content's performance. With Cardo, you can deploy your blog on your domain and publish quality content with ease. This platform aims to help bloggers quickly create unique and meaningful content without coding, making it an excellent choice for bloggers who want to focus on their writing without getting bogged down in technical details. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the infinite number of book choices? Or you've finished your favorite series and don't know what to read next? Fear not, my friend. Sona, the AI-driven book recommendation tool, is here to help. Sona is a brilliant AI-powered book recommendation tool that makes your reading experience much more enjoyable. Powered by OpenAI GPT-3, Sona offers personalized book recommendations based on your interests and preferences. If you're someone who's always looking for something new and exciting to read, Sona is the perfect companion for you. One of the best things about Sona is its straightforward use. All you need to do is enter a query and Sona will take care of the rest. It uses its vast knowledge base to find books ideally suited to your mood, interests, and reading level. Whether you're looking for a gripping thriller, a heartwarming romance, or an enlightening non-fiction book, Sona has covered you. Sona can do more than just recommend books, though. It can also suggest authors, book series, and books similar to ones you already know and love. So if you're a big fan of J.K. Rowling, Sona might recommend other books that are similar to the Harry Potter series. Similarly, Sona can find other books set in the same era if you enjoy books set in a particular historical period. Sona also has a wide range of non-fiction books that cover various topics, from the psychology of persuasion to the history of civil rights. So whether you're looking to learn something new or just want to dive into a new world of fiction, Sona has something for everyone. Apart from its impressive recommendations, Sona also has a Telegram community, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Reddit page to keep users connected. So not only you can find your next favorite book with Sona, but you can also share your love for books with like-minded individuals. It's important to note that Sona's search process can take between 20 to 30 seconds, as it connects with OpenAI GPT-3 to generate the best recommendations. However, this slight delay is a small price to pay for Sona's personalized advice. In conclusion, Sona is an excellent AI-powered book recommendation tool that is perfect for avid readers and casual book lovers. Its personalized recommendations, vast knowledge base, and wide range of features make it a must-have tool for anyone who loves to read.